Hey guys, this is Asim from TechWide and I am here in Samsung store in South Korea. Samsung is announcing not one but two versions of its flagship Galaxy Note 10 smartphone, the regular Note 10 and the Jumbo Note 10 Plus. Really though, you should think of the Note 10 Plus as the traditional Note. It's virtually the same size as the last year Note 9 and continues the tradition of big screen, super powered, stylus toting smartphone. The Note 10 is something new, the Note stylus and power cramped down into something a little closer to the size of Galaxy S10. The Note 10 starts at $949 and comes in just one configuration, 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. The Note 10 Plus starts at $1,100 with 12GB RAM, 256GB storage, and you can spend $100 more to get 512GB of the storage. Both are available for pre-orders today and will ship on August 23rd. The bezel is about as close to gone as possible on the top and bottom and completely gone on the sides thanks to a curved screen. The hole punch of the single selfie camera is smaller than even on the Galaxy S10. The fingerprint sensor is hidden away under the screen. Cameras are lined up in a vertical row off to the side as on the iPhone, but there are three of them so it doesn't look like a straight copy. So let's see the other specifications. As the display is 6.3-inch AMOLED for Note 10 and the processor is Snapdragon 855, the RAM is 8GB, the storage is 256GB, and there are three cameras in a vertical row. The first camera is 12 megapixel telephoto camera, the second is 12 megapixel wide angle camera, and the third camera is 16 megapixel ultra wide 123 depth angle camera. And now the battery is 3500 mAh for Note 10. So there is no headphone jack. Samsung says it used the extra space for more battery. Samsung is including USB-C headphones in the box, but not the dongle which costs $10. It comes in 4 different colors. The colors are Aura Black, Aura White, Aura Blue, and basically choose whatever color looks the best to you. We are very excited about the Aura Glow and are fairly confident that if any model or color of the Galaxy Note 10 sells out or runs out of stock, it will be the only Aura Glow. Keep in mind that if you want the 512GB model, you will only be able to get black, which is unfortunate. After seeing and fun colors from the Google, Huawei and others, we are glad that Samsung is getting more creative. Samsung Keynote is any indication, or the new AR doodles and the 3D scanner, which creates a file you could 3D print or use to put 3D characters in your photos. It was not exactly super accurate, but it did look like a heck of lot of fun to use. The S Pen has picked up even more capabilities that it had before. It can still operate as a remote for things like triggering the camera, shutter, or advancing PowerPoint slides. Even the S Pen stylus is nicer now. Samsung has also built in support for Microsoft's Your Phone feature from Windows 10, letting you toggle it right from the quick setting. There's new option for PC gamers to use their Samsung account to stream games from their Windows PC and play them on their Note 10. There are two main things to consider. If you are looking to buy the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, it's a very large phone. You will want to be sure that you can handle it. It's also very expensive as well. You get the S Pen stylus and stunning screen along with some impressive specs and features upgrade over the standard Note 10. Such as the 12GB of RAM, the option to have 1TB of storage and extra camera smarts. Stay tuned for our full rated review and unboxing videos, and if you did not subscribe yet, so please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.